How to connect Framer with Shopify. So first, you need to create an account here in Shopify and also with your Framer. However, if you open your Framer or if you go to your Shopify and go to app stores, unfortunately, you cannot see this Framer application and you cannot connect that. So if you want to connect your Framer to your Shopify, then you can use this tool or online platform, which is a Shopify Frame. So build beautiful Shopify stores with Shopify Frame. All you have to do is to create an account and you can start with your Shopify Frame. Now, once connected to your Shopify Frame dashboard, you can choose the products you want to embed. You can customize button style, a layout. You can also generate embed if you want. So since I cannot show it to you because you need to upgrade or purchase a plan in order for you to do that, once you have your account or once you have upgraded your account, you just have to connect your Shopify here. Then you can now paste, copy, or embed code. You can now publish your Framer site. So your Shopify products via Shopify Frame will now appear and function directly on your Framer site. So all you have to do is to create an account, purchase a plan here, and work with Shopify Frame. So that's how you connect Framer with Shopify, the easiest way to connect your Framer with Shopify.